everyone, welcome back to Happy Chirp. Today I have a friend with me, Ramisha. Hi,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm good. A little nervous.
Why are you nervous?
But good. I don't know, but it's good to have you talking to me right now.
Don't worry about the cameras.
I won't.
Okay, you're just talking to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm thinking of having a casual conversation with Ramisha and about how life is sort of affected, or the challenges generally you face after you are a fresh graduate, and then you step into practical life where you do job search or you get married and all of that.
Yeah.
So through your experience we'll be sort of understanding how that goes.
Okay.
ठीक है? So Ramisha, you studied in NUST,
Yeah.
right? But before that you were studying somewhere else.
Yeah.
Where was that?
I was in ComSats Lahore.
Okay. Lahore? Achha, I didn't know that. I thought ComSats idhar.
No, Raven Road.
Acha. Okay, and why did you switch? And when did you switch?
I switched as I was going in my second semester.
ठीक है. And why?
रीज़न उसकी काफ़ी मतलब मेरे लिए वो काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट रीज़न है, लोगों के लिए शायद ना हो. मैं सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग कर रही थी और ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे चीटिंग वगैरह से प्रॉब्लम है कि यू चीट ऑन द कोड वगैरह एंड स्टफ. आई जस्ट मतलब मेरी सेल्फ इस्टीम बहुत कम हो जाती थी व्हेन आई हैड टू कॉपी समबडी एल्सेस कोड फॉर माय पेपर.
Okay.
एंड मतलब इट वाज मोस्टली मतलब वन गाय वन गर्ल जो पूरे क्लास को कोड ना सप्लाई करते थे. तो मुझे होता था कि मतलब दिस इज समथिंग आई वांट टू डू फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ माय लाइफ एंड आई एम नॉट मतलब बीइंग ऑनेस्ट with what I am doing. मेरी डिग्री मतलब आई एम नॉट बीइंग ऑनेस्ट विद इट, आई एम नॉट गुड एट इट. एंड मतलब एक होता है आपका एप्टीट्यूड होता है, हर बंदे के डिफरेंट एप्टीट्यूड्स होते हैं. मतलब इट्स नॉट लाइक आई वाज फेलिंग बट आई वाजंट परफॉर्मिंग to my own expectations, and the cheating part and everything. So that was like quite getting to me. Or I remember मेरे first जो mids थे उसके बाद मेरे दिमाग में आ गया था कि this isn't
For you.
this isn't gonna work for me. But the मतलब fee was paid and मतलब it was quite a lot. और it was a dual degree program, तो pounds में भी एक फीस थी. मतलब
अच्छा.
तो वो प्रेशर मेरे पे बहुत ज़्यादा था. तो एक साल तो मुझे पता था कि मैंने करना ही है, मतलब कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. फिर आई वाज इन हॉस्टल एज वेल. तो हॉस्टल में देयर वर सम आर्किटेक्ट फ्रेंड्स और मैं हर वक्त आर्किटेक्चर का काम कर रही होती थी. आई वाज लाइक कमिंग अप विद आइडियाज, तुम ये बना लो, तुम ये कर लो, ओ लाओ मैं तुम्हारा मॉडल बना देती हूँ. और मतलब आई वाज मोर इंटरेस्टेड in their work but not
in
so
your
much in mine because it was like a bad headspace. I didn't like doing it. फिर एक दिन ये हुआ कि मेरे फाइनल्स आए और फिर उससे अगले दिन ना मैंने सेकेंड ईयर की फ़ीस जमा करवानी थी.
अच्छा.
DLD का मेरा पेपर था, डिजिटल लॉजिक डिज़ाइन. लाइक मतलब मेरा उस दिन मेरा एंड हुआ था. आई वाज लाइक आई कांट डू दिस एनीमोर, बट आई हैड नोबडी टू टॉक टू, नोबडी टू मतलब गाइड मी कि तुम्हें क्या करना चाहिए ऐसी पोजीशन में. मेरे HOD तो मतलब HODs डोंट लाइक यूजुअली केयर कि बच्चे की माइंड में क्या चल रहा है स्टफ. तो आई जस्ट फ्लंक्ड इट ऑन पर्पस कि आई डोंट वांट टू डू दिस डिग्री. एंड DLD इज लाइक मेजर सब्जेक्ट, लाइक यू हैव टू क्लियर इट टू गेट इनटू द नेक्स्ट ईयर. एंड आई कॉल्ड माय ब्रदर एंड आई वाज लाइक कि मैं घर आ रही हूँ, तो मेरे से तो नहीं हो रहा है, तो तुम पापा को बता दो. तो मैं तो नहीं कर सकती. एंड ही वाज लाइक इफ यू आर सो श्योर तो आ जाओ, मतलब नोबडी इज गोना फोर्स यू. और वो ऐसा टाइम था कि उस वक्त लाइक मतलब आई एम नॉट गोना से माई वेट अभी, बट आई गॉट लाइक 45 kgs.
अच्छा.
Due to the stress, the anxiety of it all, and the मतलब not to say the word, but मतलब I was also a little bit depressed कि भैया मेरी लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है, कहाँ जाऊँगी मैं. मतलब I wanted to be an independent person. मतलब mama was, and I idolized that, and मतलब life wasn't
going like that.
Nothing was going like that. तो खैर I went home. और फिर वो टाइम थोड़ा टफ था. It was because like आप एक दिन सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर हो फैमिली के और अगले दिन you're like ये क्या कर रही है,
Hmm.
कमरे में बैठी हुई है,
Hmm.
शादी करवा दो. मतलब वो वाला प्रेशर जो आपके ऊपर लोगों का आना. माई पेरेंट्स अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह दे वर वेरी सपोर्टिव. बाबा वाज लाइक कि इफ़ यू थिंक दिस इज़न्ट फॉर यू एंड यू थिंक यू विल फाइंड योर वे आगे जाके, यू गो फॉर इट. मतलब इस चीज़ का स्ट्रेस नहीं लेना है कि मतलब ये नहीं हुआ तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. यू डिडंट वेस्ट, बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक आई वेस्टेड अ ईयर एंड ही वाज लाइक यू डिडंट वेस्ट टाइम, यू स्टिल हैव दैट नॉलेज, यू कैन यूटिलाइज इट आगे जाके. एंड उस वक्त आप नहीं सुनता, लाइक श्योर हाँ मैं कर लूँगी. फिर आई वाज एट होम फॉर लाइक 7 months and I just started reading a lot
In
just
that
to
time.
get my matlab mind
Creative
away from
mind
all
juices
the
acha. To get distracted.
to
Acha.
get, it was like an easy escape. It was there. I had like a lot of books that I was like मैं सारी पढ़ूंगी. मैंने कुछ नहीं, और मैं कमरे से बाहर नहीं निकलती थी. And I was like there. शादीज भी I didn't used to attend because it was always like कि भाई आप जाओगे and people are gonna ask कि
Yeah, and I think when you make decisions like this, it's very difficult कि आप हर किसी को समझाते फिरो कि why you did it, right? एक तो people will not understand, and दूसरा you feel like you don't have to owe explanations to everybody, but but everybody will ask those questions and people sort of treat you like a quitter.
Yeah, and that's what was bothering me because matlab that's not what I did. What I did was ki, this isn't for me and I'm not going to waste more time on it.
Yes, it wasn't like you gave up. It was a very important decision of your life, and I think sometimes it's really important. I don't know if I've said this on this podcast before, but a lot of people say, you shouldn't give up and ye wo. But I feel like one of the most important things we can do in life is to know when to give up. It's so important. Okay, I have to leave this. This is not for me. I have to quit. And people don't see that quitting something, leaving something, once you've taken the step or gotten into it, doing that is a very brave decision. It's very brave. कि ठीक है, I'm just gonna
at the
leave
time
it.
it was just scary, but now
जो चीज़ scary होती है वही तो brave होती है.
right.
Something you're scared of doing but you still do, that's brave. Yeah, and but a lot of people see it the other way around ना कि
you should have done it. अभी तक some people say that to me, but मतलब it's okay. मतलब वो उनकी life, I can't live my life for other people.
Yes.
मतलब ये मुझे realization तब
You
हो गई
can't.
थी because in some things I have to be selfish and this is one of the things that I will be selfish
Of course,
with.
because this is all about you and your life.
Yeah,
मतलब
because-
आपकी डिग्री से किसी और को फर्क तो नहीं पड़ेगा.
नहीं मगर apparently हमारे यहाँ पे है
हाँ,
एक
हमारी
चीज़
society
कि
में।
ओ खाला क्या कहेंगी या पुप्पो क्या कहेंगी या वो साथ वाली आंटी क्या कहेंगी. मतलब it was sort of like that when it came around.
But you can't be doing something that you don't feel like is true to you, na? It makes you feel very unhappy.
Unhappy and like but it's just what are you doing? मतलब every
not
day you're
real.
waking up to do what? Something you don't love. मतलब
Yeah.
मुझे वो समझ नहीं आती थी.
And to pretend you know how to do, like you said, like you're cheating
that
it.
was the worst part because मतलब I've never मतलब cheating obviously आप class वगैरह में करते हैं but to cheat a whole code, to cheat a whole exam is a different thing. Okay, you are not doing anything on your own. You're like dependent on this other person. And what if one day he doesn't want to? मतलब
फिर क्या
मैं
होगा?
पूरी जिंदगी का बस मतलब I just don't like being dependent on anybody for my things. तो वो भी एक part था शायद which got triggered because of that. फिर खैर जब मैं entry test first time when I gave entry test, so I remember Mama went to Nast to drop me off and she saw the dome and she was like, दिल करता है तुम यहाँ पे पढ़ो, बहुत दिल करता है तुम यहाँ पे पढ़ो. And that ना sort of memory stuck कि अम्मा का दिल करता है कि मैं यहाँ पे पढ़ूँ. तो maybe this is
The place.
like the place for me. And I don't know Hamna how it happened. I'm genuinely like on record I'm saying this. मैंने कोई entry test की तैयारी नहीं की थी. I just read like 80 books, like novels, fantasy, मतलब anything I could get my hands on. मैंने exam
80 is
दिया.
a lot.
But like I had a lot of time. But मतलब मैं बस I went for the exam. I said a prayer. बारिश हो रही थी उस दिन हल्की हल्की, I remember, और बारिश में कहते हैं दुआएं कबूल होती हैं. तो खैर मैं पेपर देने गई हूँ और 123 was the cut off for me if I was to get in the merit list, and 124 was what I got in my entry test.
अच्छा
And it was like shocking. और मुझे नहीं था, मैं कहा, होगा नहीं होगा in one way or the other मैं नस जाऊंगी. बस I used to imagine myself कि भाई मैं वही हूँ, in people I like who understand me. मतलब that was so, मतलब मैं ना उसके लिए वो जैसे तरसे भी नहीं होते आपके, कोई आपको understand करें, people on the same wavelength or the same level. तो वो मुझे, it was the only thing that I was working towards. खैर वो हो गया, हम नष्ट आ गए. फिर it was, from the first day I was very happy. I felt like I belonged. The people were very nice. I made a lot.
So what
of
degree was
friends.
this now?
It was public policy. I was given two choices: mass communication, yeah, public policy, and government policy and administration. But उसमें मैं इस वजह से गई, I have a little sister, she's special, and I always thought कि मतलब मैं आगे जाके इंशाल्लाह I wanted to create a space that was safe for differently abled people. And जिस वक्त मुझे वो choice का आया तो I was like कि mass communication media तो मैं खुद भी कर सकती हूँ, वो हो जाता है, वो लोग कर लेते हैं. Public policy is something that will help me understand the nitty gritty of the problems. और उस वक्त भी I remember everybody was like mass communication नहीं ले रही, क्योंकि it was a trend उस वक्त ना, low mass communication, public policy क्या है, इससे तुम आगे क्या करोगी. And I was like नहीं, मैंने यही करना है, मुझे यही चाहिए. I got into it and it was the best decision because it was a mix of everything that I was really interested in. Or the teachers were amazing, the friends I made, मतलब they were amazing. और फिर जॉब हंट्स वगैरह तो खैर वो तो थोड़ा सा बाद में शुरू हुए. बीच में there came a time जब even NUST में भी थोड़ा सा ना issues like degree, मतलब there is only so much a degree can do for you. Agreed. Honestly speaking.
Agreed.
It's the people you surround yourself with in that time. It's the things you instill in yourself.
And what you experience.
Experiences, I think even the bad ones. I'm so grateful for all the worst experiences in my life because उसके बाद इतनी आपकी वो एक अवेकनिंग सी होती है ना, आपके दिमाग में बहुत सी कड़ियाँ मिलना शुरू हो जाती हैं. अच्छा दिस हैपेंड बिकॉज दिस हैड टू हैपन. मेरे साथ ये बुरा इस वजह से हुआ बिकॉज मैंने ये करना था. मतलब देयर केम अ टाइम वेयर आई वाज लाइक वेरी डिप्रेस्ड. मेरी डिग्री भी कोई इतनी अच्छी नहीं जा रही थी. आई वाज लाइक एग्जाम्स भी मेरे से ना एक पूरा सेमेस्टर आई वाज लाइक out of it. I was like, I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this even. I was like, अब मैं क्या करूँ? फिर ये हुआ, और that was because of some personal reasons. I was not in a good headspace और मेरा ध्यान नहीं था. I wasn't attentive enough on my degree. फिर ये हुआ कि मेरी प्रॉब आ गई. और प्रॉब मेरी ज़िंदगी में पहली दफ़ा लाइक मतलब मेरे कभी F इस तरह नहीं आए थे जब, और आपने कभी उस तरह वो एक तो वो फेलियर मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया था. फिर यहाँ पे मेरी आके प्रॉब आ गई इन द यूनिवर्सिटी. आई वाज सो हैप्पी टू बी इन. तो इन दैट टाइम इट वाज लाइक थोड़ा सा रॉक बॉटम कि भाई अब क्या करोगी तुम. एंड आई डिडंट टेल अम्मी, आई डिडंट टेल एनीबडी बिकॉज आई वाज सो अशेम्ड. आई वाज लाइक मैं क्या बताऊंगी कि मेरी प्रॉब आ गई है. इतनी मेहनत करने के बाद अब मैं यहाँ आई हूँ, मेरी प्रॉब आ गई है. खैर here I had like two of my friends who used to like push me to group study with them and like, or us semester फिर I got like my highest GPA till now 3.4.
Achha, that's nice.
I had to compensate for the previous one, but वो भी मतलब वो जो भी experience मेरा हुआ था, the bad experience, it was like I have to counter that. I can't let that
destroy your
take control of my
लाइफ बियॉन्ड दैट कि मतलब मैं उस चीज से अपनी बाकी जिंदगी नहीं
खरा. और मुझे
so it served as motivation ना to do better in other areas of life.
ट्रू,
In a way.
वेरी ट्रू. और उसके बाद ही आई वाज लाइक अब मैंने जॉब भी करनी है, बेशक थर्ड ईयर है, मैंने जॉब करनी है. आई हैव टू हैव इनफ कि जब मैं निकलूं तो मतलब आई हैव लाइक सम प्लेसेस दैट आई कैन कॉल कि भाई आई वांट यू टू हायर मी, या मतलब मैं ये कर सकती हूँ आपके लिए इस तरह. एंड आई रिमेंबर उस समर्स मैं घर गई हूँ एंड फिर वही मतलब आई थिंक आई वाज ऑन अ रोलर कोस्टर. कभी अच्छा होता था, कभी अभी मैं जब सोच रही हूँ ना तो इट्स लाइक दिस. बट मैं घर गई हूँ और फिर घर में ही शादी वगैरह की बातें हैं कि ओ इट्स हाई टाइम एंड दिस एंड दैट, और दैट प्रेशर हिट कि अच्छा अभी तो मैंने कुछ किया भी नहीं है अपने लिए, और मतलब मैं शादी, और फिर वो भी शादी नॉट इन अ शादी ना प्रेशर वे, क्योंकि मैं ऑलरेडी गैप ईयर 1 साल वेस्ट, फिर एक गैप ईयर, और फिर अब मैं एक डिग्री में आई हूँ. तो इट्स लाइक 2 years आई एम बिहाइंड माई वो. तो आई कुड अंडरस्टैंड देयर कंसर्न, बट मुझे आई कुडंट अंडरस्टैंड द फैक्ट कि अच्छा मेरी बस किसी से भी, not to say anything about arranged marriages, they're awesome for people they work, but for me personally they couldn't. I couldn't imagine myself just marrying anybody for the rest of my life. मैं नहीं कर सकती थी, क्योंकि मैंने कमिटमेंट की है तो फिर मैंने वो निभानी है, और तो मैं वो करने से पहले आई हैव टू थिंक अ लॉट. तो वो काफ़ी मेरे यहाँ बैड स्पेस था, और भी बहुत कुछ फैमिली में इश्यूज़ वगैरह चीज़ें वगैरह चल रही थी. And that's when I went into a very very dark space के मतलब मैं नहीं हूँ ना तो सब ठीक हो जाएगा. That's
God.
first time I ever experienced in my life that thought कि अगर मैं नहीं हूँ तो फिर मतलब शायद ना अम्मा will be happy, Baba will be happy, everybody's life will be sorted, it's just you creating this mess. और फिर I was like यार this is enough, उठो और निकलो यहाँ से. और मेरी आई थिंक मेरी ईदी थी या क्या थी, आई डोंट नो, मेरी ईदी के पैसे थे या क्या थे, एंड आई बुक्ड माई सेल्फ अ ट्रिप टू फेरी मेडोज alone because I was like
you need to get away. I think that's such an excellent decision. Like बहुत अच्छा किया. It did it make a difference?
It made मतलब I think it was the shift that was needed at that time.
I think if you were sort of stuck in a space or with the same people, you can't get that perspective that you need for your life. And when you sort of take yourself out of that space, so आपको एक नया perspective मिलता है that you know you've sort of been looking for. I think आपका lens change होना ज़रा ज़रूरी होता है. आप उसी में बैठ कर उसी जगह में बैठ कर सोचते हैं, sort of like your thoughts are in a loop and they're stuck. But when you move out and then you can sort of view your life बाहर से जैसे and make better decisions.
It was also scary कि मतलब I've read about people having this thought. I've never actually experienced having that thought. और वो भी ऐसा नहीं था कि अल्लाह का शुक्र है मतलब I had इतना कंट्रोल अपने माइंड पे था कि I was like back off. This isn't
where this is a slippery slope.
You don't want to go further from this. You need to fix it abhi when it's gonna just get worse and matlab it's not gonna work. Khair, I went on the trip. It was an amazing trip. I came back and there was a job opening, I think LOL Studio ki unhone actors, directors or producers or wo sare hire kar rahe the. And I didn't know anything about any of those things. But I was like, let's apply. And I applied kiya, and I think 2 days afterwards, I got like a call ke, matlab, we want to interview you. Can you come? Or sab kuch. So that's when matlab, mujhe ye realize when I started working, and it was such a positive, happy workspace where you were like free to do whatever. You were free to choose whatever ideas you wanted. You were free to come and say, okay, yeah, this is what I want to say. Let's work on this. This is going to work for people. This is what people need. And people actually listened. मतलब वो आपको सुन रहे थे. मैं it was the first time I experienced that. It was the first time I was actually in people जो सुन रहे थे, जो समझ रहे थे, और जो जिनकी genuine concerns थी कि हाँ यार ये मसले हैं और हमने अगर हम कुछ कर सकते हैं तो हम ये कर सकते हैं कि हम इन मसलों को हाईलाइट कर सकते हैं फॉर पीपल टू अंडरस्टैंड, विच वाज लाइक मतलब द बेस्ट थिंग दैट कुड हैव हैपेंड. तो मतलब अगेन वही कि एक बैड टाइम
followed by a good time.
फिर like followed by a good time. तो but it's like this अभी तक.
Life's like this.
Yeah, मेरे तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा. फिर that was when I came out of my shell basically. That is when I experienced a lot of new things.
And that was a great decision because that's where you found your partner.
जी. उसमें भी आपका बहुत बड़ा हाथ है. But हाँ जी.
Funny story, you want to share it?
Do you want to share?
I don't mind.
हम सबको लगता है मुजम्मिल is the mastermind. असल mastermind इधर बैठी.
So basically, Ramisha is married to a friend of my husband.
Yeah.
And Shahbaz, yeah. So basically what happened was that
Kartarpur.
Yeah, so I knew that Shahbaz liked her. He was interested
And I
in her.
didn't know.
She didn't know at the time. But and yeah, so then we went on a trip to Kartarpur. Basically काम के लिए हम गए थे and I went there as well. ये लोग भी काम से गए हुए थे.
नहीं, खान साहब की तो स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी थी वो. वो तो बदल के वापस आए थे.
हाँ, तो yeah, we went on that trip and that's when we first got to really get to know each other because सारी लड़कियाँ एक साथ थी and then were we in the same room?
We were. You came. I was with Aruj.
अच्छा.
We were sharing a room and you came.
I was with Muzammil.
Yeah.
हाँ, तो मैं ऊपर इन लोगों के कमरे में आई और हम लोगों ने काफ़ी सारी बातें की. So you know when girls get to talking, you talk about partners as well and future and boys and you know
past and everything.
Yeah, everything. So we were just having lots and lots of girl talk. And बीच में फिर रमीशा ने अपनी लाइफ के बारे में मुझे बताना शुरू कर दिया एंड हाउ आई डोंट नो व्हाट डिड यू शेयर जिसके ऊपर मैंने
कि आई एम नेवर गोना मैरी, नेवर एवर.
That's what you said. I don't remember
You
this.
were ironing, I think.
हाँ,
और मैं आई
कपड़े कर रही थी.
मैंने कहा हमना, how did you? I don't think I can ever marry anybody. And then you were like, नहीं रमीशा, मैं तुम्हें बता रही हूँ. When you find that person who's like on the same level, who is interested in the same things, who's in the same industry.
Yeah, and that's when I said, maybe the reason that you feel like because you said that there's nobody I see around myself who I can see myself with in the future.
I did not.
And you
at
said
all.
कि मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई understand कर पाएगा मुझे और जो मैं life के साथ करना चाहती हूँ. So then I said कि then it's best to look for people who are in the industry that you are in, because those people will understand you more. And obviously that was Shahbaz at the time.
There was only one person like that on that whole trip and I was like, हमना क्या कह रही है? हमना ऐसे कैसे कर सकती है?
मुझे क्या पता था कि उसके दिमाग में वाकई शहबाज आ जाएगा. But Ramisha, I'll be very honest with you. At that point, मैं ये नहीं सोच रही थी सिर्फ कि I'm trying to be Shahbaz's wingman. I was actually trying wing woman. I was actually trying to give you like genuine advice.
Yeah, I know.
And I remember हमारी काफी लंबी बात हुई थी and I told you lots of things जिसमें this was there.
I remember.
अब वो तो अच्छी बात है कि
वो इस वजह से भी आए because I always used to admire him so much. Even मतलब before like हम वहाँ करतारपुर गए हैं, his work ethic, मैंने बातें ये शेयर की हुई हैं, his morals वगैरह, मतलब I really used to admire him as a person. कि मतलब he has sound
for
values.
his values.
Yeah. And मतलब he's the sort of person जो कभी किसी को cheat नहीं करेगा, कभी इस तरह की कोई integrity थी उनमें. और फिर वो एक पश्तून थोड़ा सा बॉन्ड भी था. तो मुझे वो चीज़ क्लिक की थी.
And I could see you guys together. तो मतलब मैं तो मेरे लिए था कि हो जाए, but also it was such a risky bet. Like who knew who you were thinking about?
But मेरे दिमाग में
it was just like lots of genuine advice, I think.
Yeah.
If that's what you want to call it.
It was girl on girl talk, but like very real.
very real. तो वो अलग बात है कि उससे it worked out because उससे she thought of Shahbaz and
Shahbaz. Because I never thought कि he would think about me like that because he was always like, मतलब I used to consider him like very वो क्या उसको कहते हैं, very respected वो
मतलब somebody जो
जिसकी मैं respect करती हूँ, जो मतलब बस I admire.
I get it.
And I was never like you. और जब मुझे पता चला था ना, like मैं really?
Yeah, and now you guys are married. So
yes. Mashallah and alhamdulillah.
Yeah, and I have a part to play.
Yes, you have a major part to play.
So then you started working at Law Studios.
Yeah.
And that was good for you in multiple ways.
Yeah, it was a lot of good coming my way. Alhamdulillah.
And then you did Law Studios, then you graduated, and so now
Corona graduate.
So you were a Corona graduate.
Yes.
Did
2020.
you have to did you give your exams online and stuff?
Yes.
Yeah.
It was not good. मतलब it was so nerve wracking. मुझे याद है मेरे 3 minute late हो गया था paper because you had to write the answer on a page जो questions आ रहे थे, and then you had to scan them and make a file and then send it like over email, and if your network is shaky
Oh God.
और फिर वो time limit है, like the seconds are counting.
Oh.
और अगर
So
आपका
that's so
चला गया-
stressful.
It's so stressful कि you have to prepare beforehand, then you have to be like बीच में, और फिर बीच में आपको messages आ रहे हैं, oh ये question, oh वो question, you know. मतलब it was just a lot. और I think we don't give our examination system credit, but वो जो lack of distraction है ना, that really really plays a major role when you're giving exams. क्योंकि मेरे इर्द गिर्द 100 चीज़ें हो रही थी, इवन दो आई वाज इन अ रूम, बट मुझे आवाज़ें आ रही हैं, मुझे नीचे से आवाज़ आ रही है, मुझे किसी की टीवी की आवाज़ आ रही है, एंड आई वाज गेटिंग सो डिस्ट्रैक्टेड कि मैं पेपर दे रही हूँ और मेरा फाइनल पेपर है, दिस इज़ व्हाट माय डिग्री रिलाइज अपॉन. और फिर डिफेंस भी हमारे इसी तरह हुआ था. That was really sad because we worked
For your
really
thesis.
hard. Yeah, we worked really really hard for our thesis. It was matlab woman centric as well. It was about women, the challenges they face in the public sector, financially, socially, economically, and it was like really really close to our hearts because all of us had like working moms, and उन्होंने जो sacrifices, जो मसले वो encounter करती थी अपने work space में, तो वो हमारा वो आइडिया था. और फिर उसका एक आपने ऑनलाइन present करना है अपना thesis. It was very sad. So it was like a lot of sad, and we did not get closure.
Of course, of your university ending, it's just like अच्छा बस खत्म हो गई.
It was one night in hostel. That was the last night, and we did not know it was the last night. मतलब it's so, और hostelites के लिए I think you can relate. It's like your home, and मतलब मेरा तो मतलब it was like we had like a group of 10 girls, and हम लोगों का ना एक pack type था, और वो रातों रात चीज
खत्म हो गई
विदाउट एनी क्लोजर.
हाँ, और बस ये था कि अच्छा कोरोना हो गया, सब घर चले गए और यूनिवर्सिटी खत्म हो गई, एंड देन यू आर नॉट कमिंग बैक.
नहीं आ रहा, आपका ग्रेड ट्रिप नहीं हो रहा, आपका ग्रेड वीक नहीं हो रहा, आपकी हॉस्टल की लास्ट नाइट नहीं हो रही, आपकी कैफे की लास्ट नाइट नहीं हो रही, आपकी लास्ट वॉक नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं. लास्ट everything was taken away from us. But खैर मतलब उसमें भी obviously अगर हम आते कोई बीमार हो जाता, मतलब it could have been a lot worse. It's good that we were sent home. But वो जो एक rite of passage होता है ना, वो नहीं मिला हमें. जॉब फेयर नहीं हुआ, हमें जॉब नहीं मिली. But खैर फिर I got a job here after I think 3-4 months का मैंने ब्रेक लिया. फिर I was like enough, बस बहुत हो गया. और इन दिनों तो वैसे भी कोई जॉब्स इस तरह की हो नहीं रही थी, सब कुछ बहुत डिक्लाइन पे जा रहा था. फिर मुझे यहाँ पे एक जॉब मिली जिसका मैं नाम नहीं लूँगी.
Why did you go for that job?
I just wanted to work.
Okay.
I was just done sitting at home.
And what kind of job was it?
I was a lot of things. I was their HR as well, their quality assurance guy as well, their marketing as well. और फिर जब मैं एक रोल करती थी तो फिर मुझसे पूछा जाता था दूसरा रोल क्यों नहीं हुआ. And I was like, क्योंकि मैं ये कर रही थी. मतलब it was like a lot. It was not that well paid. खैर मुझे पे का इतना नहीं था because I was looking for the experience, क्योंकि as a fresh graduate you can't ask for much. But I was like, चलो contacts बनेंगे, I'll be in the industry, I'll get to know a lot of things. But I was not happy at all. और फिर I think for someone like you this might be relatable कि I want to work if I'm giving something good to the society. If what my efforts are are bringing
उसका impact
something.
क्या है?
हाँ, मतलब मेरे लिए end goal बहुत important है. Means and end are like two things that I'm very much मतलब focused on. और वो वहाँ पे नहीं था. Like it was sort of like it was not right what was happening. और मैं बस मुझे होता था कि why am I here? मैं यहाँ पे क्या कर रही हूँ? और फिर मैं अपनी फर्स्ट जॉब क्विट कर दूंगी. मतलब लाइक वही
क्विटर फीलिंग आ रही थी.
आपको हर मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा आती थी. एंड आई वाज लाइक वेरी सेल्फ कॉन्शियस अबाउट इट एज वेल कि हर बंदा कुछ ना कुछ कर रहा है. लोगों की पहली जॉब, मेरे हस्बैंड की पहली जॉब लास्टेड इन लाइक 2 years. एंड आई एम लाइक क्विटिंग इन माई फर्स्ट मंथ. बट देन आई वाज लाइक कि नहीं, बस बहुत हो गया. मैं घर चली गई. खैर वो अच्छा ही हुआ, मैं घर चली गई. फिर रिश्ते की बात चल गई, फिर शादी हो गई. फिर मे बी दैट वाज सपोज टू हैपन. तो it's how the universe was taking us. और हाँ, क्योंकि मैं इस्लामाबाद आई तो आई गॉट टू मीट हिज पेरेंट्स वगैरह. मतलब आई थॉट ऑफ इट एज दैट कि अच्छा वो जो 1 month था ना, दैट वाज बिकॉज उसके आगे ये चीज़ें होनी थी.
So that was the lesson in hindsight. Or yeah. So tell me, when you wanted to look for that job, for a job, what were some of the things that you had in mind? Because कुछ होगा ना कि मैं ये चीज़ करना चाहती हूँ. So yeah.
मेरी डिग्री पब्लिक पॉलिसी थी. आई वॉज थिंकिंग अबाउट HR a lot because my mother was, ये भी बहुत होता है आपके मामा पापा ने जो किया होता है, you want to step into the footsteps. But I really wanted like an admin job because I think I'm good at it.
Okay, हाँ.
It was like
management में, administration में,
क्योंकि
HR. हाँ.
I feel I'm good with people. I can sort of understand them. मतलब वो जो HRs का एक वो concept, I wanted to like be the good HR. Change that a little. और इस तरह की jobs और साथ साथ अपना भी कुछ मतलब on the side,
like a side business.
There's this concept, Japanese concept. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Ikigai. Okay,
I don't know.
It's like 3 things that make a perfect life. Your passion, your objective for the society, like what you want to impact, and something just for you
yourself.
that brings you happiness. So I had 2, and then I was looking for like 3. The passion was like something for myself. So that is what my mindset was उस वक्त. और मतलब ये जो major companies हैं, I really wanted to work for L'Oreal. Really wanted to work because मतलब उनकी जो पूरी policy है, the way the organization works, and the थोड़ा सा glamour भी.
हाँ, because L'Oreal.
Yeah. So I really wanted to be that girl, but it's really tough to get there. और इस तरह की चीज़ें मतलब I was really looking, and one thing was for sure. I remember अम्मा telling me कि मेरे एक अंकल हैं, he's in Reckitt and Reckitt Benckiser. अब एक ज़माने में Reckitt and Coleman होती थी. तो he was offering a job. And I was like, ये तो नहीं. Sorry. मतलब I don't know. और ये उन्हीं से आई है कि मतलब अम्मी से ही ये चीज़ इंस्टॉल हुई कि खुद करो, किसी से मत लो. और वो बेशक अम्मी अब्बू ही हैं.
You wanted to achieve it on your own.
हाँ, I
not
wanted
through
her to be
some-
proud of me. I wanted her to see कि अच्छा she did it on her own. I never used to rant about what I was going through. एक तो why should I, मतलब वो she has enough on her plate. And मतलब it was always like you need to do this for yourself and then not prove it to anybody, but just prove it to yourself कि यार तुम खुद भी कर सकती हो, तुम्हें किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं है. And that was really important. तो अभी शादी के बाद भी there was like I think 1 or 2 good months जिसमें मतलब I didn't have a job, I didn't have anything to do, and I was like मैं बस घर में बस I was very happy कि घर में सफाइयाँ and everything. I used to keep myself busy writing and मतलब इस तरह की चीज़ें, exploring different areas of Islamabad and stuff. But फिर it came to a point where I was like मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. वही सोसाइटी वाला कॉन्सेप्ट कि मैं कहाँ फिट इन होती हूँ and what impact am I bringing. Yeah. And it's not just monetary. I think people, obviously some people have to work for monetary reasons, and I do too. But if you can get something जिसमें आपका दिल भी लगता है, जिसमें कुछ अच्छा आउटपुट भी आ रहा है, और फिर चलो आपकी अच्छी उससे कमाई भी हो रही है, I think it's like the best scenario that you can make for yourself. And it's just like a little, आपने थोड़ा push करना है अपने आप को, थोड़े से wrong decisions लेने हैं. काफ़ी मेरे मामले में तो wrong decisions
I think you can't make the right decision before a few wrong decisions in
True.
life, right? Like you
Very true.
learn, आपको जो perspective wrong decision से मिलता है वो, if you've always been right, then
मतलब ना a lot of times we don't get the I think space to be wrong. You don't get enough space. I think as men तो चलो वो तो एक different, उनके तो एक different ही मसाइल होते हैं और वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. But as women I think हम लोगों को space है ही नहीं to make a mistake. मतलब अगर आपने mistake कर लिया तो that's like your end all be all. अब इसके बाद आपको chance नहीं मिलेगा. I am alhamdulillah blessed कि I had like a mother जो देखती थी, जो कहती थी कि नहीं तुम करो, डांटती भी थी, डिसअपॉइंट भी होती थी, बट साथ साथ कहती थी खुद करो. और ये बहुत अर्ली एज से मेरे साथ था कि मेरे घर, मेरे स्कूल में भी कोई मसाइल होते थे तो मैं लाइक योर प्रॉब्लम, यू डील विद इट. और उस टाइम से मिस्टेक्स कर करके अब इस लेवल पे हम आए कि mistakes don't scare you the way I think it scares a lot of people.
And वही बात है ना कि you know what you just said about your mother कि how she told you to figure it out, because at the end of the day, like if your parents or whoever so is always solving your problems for you or you know giving you a very sheltered life, तो फिर तो आप कुछ सीखोगे ही नहीं, and then you will never be independent.
And I think it's easier to give a shelter life. It's harder
to let them. It's so true. And I'm just going to sort of it's so funny कि मैं ये इस example से दे रही हूँ, but it's very true because so बच्चों को ना when they start solids, so I'm just going to talk about myself as a parent, ठीक है? So there are multiple ways to go about it, multiple methods to start to wean your children, ठीक है? उसमें से एक है बेबी लेड वीनिंग, ठीक है? बेबी लेड वीनिंग में होता है कि आप प्यूरीज या उस तरह का फूड नहीं देते, यू गिव देम बेसिकली फिंगर फूड्स, होल फूड्स, और वो खुद खाएंगे और वो मेस भी मचाएंगे. आपने उनको टेक्सचर फील करने देना है, आपने उन्हें खुद से खाने देना है और आपने उनको बॉदर नहीं करना और ना आपने उनको फोर्स फीड करना है. उन्हें नहीं खाना तो नहीं, you're just supposed to offer the food.
Let them develop a food relationship.
It's more about them understanding food than actually taking nutrition. Because first year mein babies can have their full nutrition from milk.
Okay.
हाँ. So except iron, just to be before anybody points it out. ठीक है. So अब that's obviously a less क्या कह सकते हैं, इट्स अ मोर इंडिपेंडेंट वे कि आप उसको कह रहे हो खुद फिगर इट आउट, यू गिविंग द फूड एंड यू लेटिंग द चाइल्ड. इट्स वेरी इजी कि आप प्यूरीज बनाओ और मुंह में ठोस दो और गंद भी नहीं होगा और जल्दी भी हो जाएगा और न्यूट्रिशन भी पूरी हो जाएगी. इट्स वेरी इजी रिलेटिवली, ठीक है? जस्ट मुंह में डाल दिया और खिला दिया और मील टाइम्स ओवर.
अपलॉडेड फॉर द प्यूरी मोर
बिकॉज अभी बेबी लेड वीनिंग लोगों को इतनी समझ नहीं आती ना. बट बेबी लेड वीनिंग में आपको पेशेंस चाहिए, आपको बैठ के देखना है, आपको करने देना है. गन भी मच रहा है उसको गन भी करने दो, उसको आपको डर भी लग रहा है चोकिंग हैजर्ड ना हो, और यू नो इट्स मोर डिफिकल्ट टू लेट हिम इंडिपेंडेंटली डू दैट. यू नो आप मेरा तो बस दिल चाहता है कि बस मैं सफाई कर दूं और जल्दी से खिला दूं और फिनिश कर दूं.
क्यूट लगता होगा, ट्राई करता हूँ.
बट वहीं पे वही वाली बात आती है दैट यू हैव टू बी लाइक सिट एंड वॉच हिम, जस्ट फिगर इट आउट एंड जस्ट बी देयर ऑन द साइड एंड लेट हिम figure it out.
I had a lot of patience.
So yeah, and I think that's where it starts, and then it holds true for everything in life where you can't spoon feed.
Yeah, and I think
basically
क्योंकि मतलब character development ही नहीं हो रही है फिर तो you're just creating robots who are just supposed to do one thing after the other and just make it perfect, make it look great and just live life.
हाँ, मुझे बस ये होता है कि you know at one point your child will be independent कभी जाके, और अगर आपने थ्रू आउट देयर लाइफ you've solved their problems for them, you've helped them make the decisions and you've sheltered them from doing things on their own, तो जिस दिन वो जाके इंडिपेंडेंट होंगे ना, they will not know how to solve problems for themselves.
But I think आप भी hostel रह चुके. Have you noticed a difference between girls who had been living on their own पहले and even I think day scholars? there was like a
lot of
huge difference
Yes,
in independence, in बल्कि अम्मा अभी कभी कभी मुझे मजाक में कहती हैं कि तुम्हें तो इतनी इंडिपेंडेंस दे दी है कि अब तुम्हें मतलब होल्ड बैक करना वो होता है, बिकॉज आई एम लाइक आई विल डू इट, यू डोंट नीड टू, बल्कि वो चीज़ें मुझे बॉदर करती है
कि मुझे क्यों why are you doing this for me,
sometimes like people do it out of care, but मतलब फिर भी मुझे होता है कि यार like
मैं कर सकती
I can do it, like you don't worry, because like you don't want to worry other people for your things, you can do them, but मतलब sometimes I think like I even had friends जो मतलब they couldn't travel alone, like 21 years of age couldn't travel alone. वो was a very मतलब मेरे लिए बड़ा alien concept था.
I totally get it. Like हम लोग जो हॉस्टलाइज होते थे, हम लोग पता नहीं क्या कुछ कर लेते थे और डे स्कॉलर्स के लिए होता था
और मामा पापा को पता भी नहीं होता था. Half the time we are doing all those things, मसले हो रहे हैं, and we're like अम्मी को क्या बताने हैं, खुद ही कर लेते हैं, क्योंकि मतलब you can, so why not? And I think it holds for a lot of other things in life as well. और वो I think does stem from parenting. मतलब अगर मामा ने ना किया होता तो I would also not be मतलब
able to do things.
हाँ, I wouldn't. I would always be scared कि oh no ये हो जाएगा, फिर मेरे साथ ये हो जाएगा. अभी मेरे दिमाग में ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं होती है. I'm just doing whatever I want to do. तो yeah, it does. Parenting does play a major role in that.
हम कहाँ से आए थे इसके ऊपर? हाँ, you said that your mother let you
from a very early age. She मतलब
she said figure your problems out yourself.
She even let me travel alone. I used to travel from Sargodha to Rawalpindi, which is like 4 hours when I was 12. On Devo. मतलब she was like
हो जाएगा,
क्योंकि Harry Potter used to release and I used to get the मुझे होता था मैंने पहली बुक खरीदी तो वो सिर्फ पिंडी में होती थी, सदर में.
Oh my God, so you used to go?
तो I used to come.
That's some like मतलब सही fan.
I used to love Harry Potter. That was my life for a good 8-9 years. तो मतलब but मुझे उसमें I used to write, I used to explore, I used to be alone with my thoughts. So इसलिए I'm like very अभी भी ना it's sometimes like my friends don't like it, but I'm very happy alone. मतलब very very happy.
I get it. I totally get it. I'm like that as well.
I'm like my most me when I'm alone. I don't need anything. It's a bonus when people bring in good energy, but मतलब वैसे I'm good on my own. So I think it's because of that.
But पता है क्या, you know, I've been that person as well. I think a lot. ठीक है कि मैं खुद कर लूँगी, don't need anyone. और हर चीज़ में like I used to generally tend to put up this brave face that I don't need anyone, I can do things myself, I don't need help. और again ना ही मुझे अच्छा लगता था कि अगर मुझे कोई बहुत ज़्यादा करता था. I think this also came from my mother, because my mother is that sort of a person. Like she's very independent and she does everything on her own. So you sort of eventually start mirroring what you've seen your mothers do.
A lot,
you know?
Yeah, idealize them.
You idealize at the back of your head, and even if you don't realize that you do, you just become them.
Because
you
it's
absorb
in the
all of
situation,
this.
I think subconsciously it's like, what would mama do? And then you do it.
So वो चीज़ मेरे अंदर भी बहुत थी और है अभी तक. But I feel कि like आप इतना ज़्यादा लोगों को I think मैंने उसमें अपनी इंडिपेंडेंस में पुश कर दिया that at one point people stop offering you that help because they're like ये तो कर लेगी, she'll figure it out. And you know, I've been through some really bad times जिसमें you know people weren't there for me because they thought that she'll figure it out. You know, they were like, oh, she's very brave. वो तो मतलब उनके दिमाग में वो फिर आती ही नहीं थी चीज़.
And in that space you couldn't even ask for it.
हाँ, like उनके दिमाग में वो चीज़ आती ही नहीं थी कि oh, this must be a big deal for her. You know, and I saw people be there for each other on the smallest of things.
Yeah.
But the biggest of things would happen to me, but मेरे लिए उस तरह नहीं होता था, and that had nothing to do with how they felt about me. It had everything to do with how they thought that I probably don't need anyone. You know, and I guess I didn't, but आपको बस होता है कि यार मुझसे पूछ लेते. You know, but I couldn't blame them. I was like, you know, I've never.
I think this is something we need to unlearn a little. noticed this in my marriage as well कि Shehbaz likes to do some things, like he likes to take care of me a certain way कि भाई मैं ये कर दूंगा आपके और वो शुरू में ना थोड़ी सी चीज़ मुझे bother करती थी कि यार I can do this, why do you need to, why are you bothering yourself, you have a busy schedule, आप ये करें. But फिर मैंने realize किया कि how happy it made him doing that tiny thing for me.
For you,
हाँ तो फिर I was like चलो ये कर लो तो या मतलब जैसे even the fact कि he brings me soup late at night, अब I can very easily order it, या I can very easily go and get it, but it's like this small
It's a
ritual.
gesture.
हाँ कि he's like मैं ला सकता हूँ सिर्फ सूप, ओके सिर्फ आप ला सकते हैं सूप. तो
sweet.
मतलब इस तरह की छोटी छोटी चीज़ें या you do need to, and like मतलब फ्रेंड्स के साथ I admit मेरा भी मतलब I don't have a lot. I have a lot of friends. All my friends, I love my friends. I have a lot of friends, but I genuinely rely on, I think, two. Bus two. और वो भी because like I trust them to do things जो मेरे लिए ठीक होंगे, and I would only ask them for help. I don't, वही वाली बात कि I don't like to burden my friends. That's one thing I think I got from अम्मा as well कि वो हमेशा कहती थी कि दोस्तों की मदद करो, कभी भी उन पे बोझ नहीं बनो, हमेशा मदद करने वाला हाथ होना चाहिए. तो वो चीज़ इतनी ज़्यादा आई थिंक मैंने इंस्टॉल की कि मैंने कहा कि नहीं, दोस्तों की बस मदद ही करनी है.
हाँ, but I think it's so important to know when you should ask for help. You know, it's so important to vocalize that and say that, you know, right now I
need help.
I need help. Because generally, you know, when it comes to, like, if I talk about myself, when it comes to expressing myself, then I'm very vulnerable. कि मैं express करती हूँ कि, you know, this is how I feel, या मैं अपनी emotions express करने में
You're vocal about
I'm
them.
vocal and vulnerable. But it will always be like, this is how I feel, and I'll be very vulnerable about it. But I can figure it out. You know, I will quickly wrap it up with,
Okay, but I can figure it out.
don't worry about me. You know, I don't need anybody to sort of worry about
But
me
it
or
also
help
pushes
me.
you to be this person, don't you think?
What do you mean?
कि मतलब the fact that you have such faith in yourself कि I will figure it out.
Huh, of course.
It
yeah,
does
that's,
push you to
To
your
figure-
to figure it out
हाँ.
and to test your limits in a way कि sometimes you absolutely can't, like in that scenario you just said, but sometimes you actually can, and you're just being like a little कि oh maybe मुझे थोड़ी सी help मिल जाती. उस मामले में I think थोड़ा सा ये the faith you have in yourself plays a major role कि you can do it by yourself.
Yeah, and I just can't, like, मतलब मैं पता नहीं मुझसे नहीं होता अगर मुझे कोई बोले कि मैं कोई चीज़ नहीं कर सकती, या मैं अपने आप को नहीं बोल सकती कि मैं कोई चीज़ नहीं कर सकती. I have this consistent can do thing. Of course I can do it.
It's a good thing.
You know?
Yeah.
So I kind of get what you mean, because I'm like that as well.
Yeah.
So,
Because you give yourself that space na to do it.
to do it.
And
to
फिर
figure
चलो
it out.
once or twice I think you can't, and that's okay. Then you can ask for help.
But it's so important, Pramisha, कि if
To
you have
ask.
that, to ask, and if you have that can-do attitude, to also have a forgiving attitude towards yourself, because, you know, it can be very damaging. Like, I learned this, कि I can do it, but there will be times where things will not be perfect, and, you know,
Yeah,
there
things
will be
never
times
perfect.
there will be times it will not work out the way that you expected, कि, oh, you can do it, and it doesn't come out the way that you want. And at that time, it's so important to be forgiving to yourself कि यार कोई बात ये भी नहीं हुआ, पर हो जाएगा.
हो जाएगा. और
हाँ.
आपने कोशिश की, आपने अपनी पूरी कोशिश की, and that is enough. Like आजकल मेरा एक ही मंत्र है कि I am enough.
हाँ.
मैं रोज अपने आप को ये सुबह उठ के बताती हूँ कि I am enough.
That's good.
हाँ, because like the self critic in you can rise like that.
Yeah, वो जो negative self talk होती है ना, वो आपको पता भी नहीं होता, वो पीछे चल रही होती है, हो रही होती है. So it's very important to counter it with positive talk. That's why it's so important to be very forgiving to yourself. क्योंकि negative self talk में ये होता है कि you are just being very mean to yourself कि ओ मेरा ये मसला, मेरा वो मसला, मैं ये नहीं कर सकती, मुझसे ये भी नहीं हुआ.
And you're so forgiving to other people,
but you're not.
But not to yourself. Like you made one mistake. मतलब I can name like 3 mistakes I made a month ago. I still remember them. और मुझे पता है कि अब next time they happen and I'm gonna be उसी rant वाले उसमें मतलब वो रट में sorry कि भाई मतलब why did you do that?
And it's so funny, like there's things that I will never judge people for,
But
but
you
I will
judge
judge myself for
yourself.
कि मैंने ऐसा क्यों किया है, मैं ऐसे
And
क्यों.
even think के oh what will people be thinking in that space about me? मतलब वो तो खैर I know मतलब we shouldn't let ourselves get affected by that, but I think maybe it's the people pleaser in me, but I just like to have everybody happy around me with me. और ये भी मुझे लगता है बचपन से ही, हम बचपन की काफ़ी बातें कर रहे हैं, बट बचपन में ही ये चीज़ थोड़ी मेरे अंदर इंस्टिल हो गई थी कि मैं बस कोशिश करती थी कि सब खुश हों, मामा खुश हों. देयर वाज अ टाइम अ वेरी मतलब बैड स्पेस इन बिटवीन when we shifted to Sargodha and my father had to go to China and my brother was we were in Karachi, my brother was in Sargodha and my father had to go to China and like it was like our family was split in 3 और मुझे बस हर वक्त ये होता था कि मामा खुश हों, मामा खुश हो, मामा खुश हो, मामा खुश हो, और मेरी बहन खुश हो, और फलाना खुश हो, और बस अच्छे ग्रेड लो, और मतलब that headspace. और वो अभी तक I think in some way or the other does affect me. कि अगर मेरी कोई दोस्त मुझसे खुश नहीं है ना, तो like that's all I'll be thinking about कि yeah she's not happy with me. जबकि sometimes it's like not even your fault, but you'll make it your fault in your head, and that's when
not
like
good. No.
Yeah, but it's like some things like in childhood that take matlab root.
Yeah.
So you can take that tip.
Thank you.
But yeah.
Noted.
Yeah. I have like very candid discussions about these things with my mother as well. She also agrees. That there were a lot of times where she also used to feel the same way कि she has to make everybody happy and not herself. और वो बहुत damaging और वो बहुत damaging हो जाता है. वही मतलब you aren't fulfilling your own मतलब self, like वो cup वाली बात कि your cup is empty. It's gonna be empty when you're pouring it.
But I have learned कि you can't pour from an empty cup. ये चीज़ तो 100% मुझे अब समझ आती है.
So many people try every day, including me. मतलब I try so hard without giving myself time to मतलब अब मैं करती हूँ, अब अल्लाह का शुक्र है, मतलब अब I have like very good partner who also makes sure, but मतलब जब आप अकेले होते हो ना, then you're not thinking like that, I feel, which you should.
But मतलब ये चीज़ मैंने करके देखी कि when I focused on myself, on my own strengths, and on just becoming myself more, being more self-aware, giving myself attention and time and the love and everything, I became a better person to everybody else.
Yeah, and your relationships,
everything became better.
Yeah.
Everything became better by being better to myself. So it's 100% true. जब आप अपने आप के साथ fulfilled होते हो ना, तो you're definitely a better person to everybody else. It's as simple as that. कि जो लोग insecure होते हैं, जिनमें जो
कहीं से स्टेम कर रही होती है चीज़,
कोई इनसिक्योरिटी होती है जब, तभी आपको जेलसी होती है, तभी आपको हेट होती है, तभी आपको आप लोगों के साथ हर वक्त खुश नहीं हो सकते, या आप you know what I'm saying, you can't have whole relationships.
ये exact चीज़ हुई थी.
But if you are confident and you are secure and you are
and if
happy,
you're working towards it,
so you will have better relationships. You will have a better sense of humor. You will easily laugh things off. You won't take yourself and people too seriously,
and it won't hit you.
Yeah.
When it does, मतलब I think जब मैं कुछ काम नहीं कर रही थी ना, and you are on social media and you're looking everywhere and people are accomplishing this and that, and LinkedIn to Allah, everybody was getting jobs like left, right and center. Or it's a human emotion. Envy, jealousy, it's a human emotion. You're human to feel that.
But that's what I'm saying. You will feel that more when your own cup is empty.
Yeah.
But when your cup is full and you are so sure of who you are as a person,
or if
and you like that person, then people can do whatever in their life and it's not going to bother you.
But इसका एक और मैंने hack ढूंढा था कि मतलब rather than like just looking at other people getting jobs, like that's their life, you don't know how they got there.
Yeah, what else is going on?
Genuinely.
हाँ.
और मतलब पता नहीं क्या, maybe it's the one thing in their life that's working out, and you
And you
should
don't even know how
congratulate them with your whole
how
heart.
hard they've worked for it also.
But मतलब आप वो देख के आपको jealousy हुई है, आपको envy हुई है, आप देखो कि अच्छा क्यों हुई है, किस reason, अच्छा मेरे पास वो job नहीं है जो उसके पास है, let me get a job. You need that job that much कि you cannot stand somebody else having it, then you work for it and you make yourself get it, then it will go away. मतलब उसकी थोड़ी सी solution based अगर आप approach रख लो ना, rather than just sitting there and being like, oh I'm so jealous of her, oh I'm so jealous of him, मतलब you're just wasting time, and like आपका inner self
So
is
that's
just
what I'm saying.
getting,
You have to focus on yourself
Yeah.
rather than thinking, oh, people are getting jobs or doing things. You're like, I'm spending too much energy thinking about other people.
Yeah.
I need to spend that energy
On
looking
myself.
for a job or
Yeah.
doing this for myself or doing that for myself. And you know, like, it's just like आप इतना time जो आप दूसरों के ऊपर लगा रहे हो या उन इमोशंस के ऊपर लगा रहे हो, उससे बेहतर है कि आप वही टाइम अपने आप पर लगाओ, तो you will get there.
Yeah, exactly. Without the
Where
guilt,
you want to be.
without the guilt of being jealous. मतलब हाँ.
So yes, you can't pour from an empty cup.
Yeah.
That when your cup is full,
Hmm.
you will definitely keep other people happier.
Yeah.
You know, and there will be some times where you should know that, okay, right now, like, it's not called being selfish, you know.
Yeah.
Sometimes you have to know that this is I'm being downright selfish here, or I'm just, you know, setting my boundaries or looking after myself.
I think boundaries are very important.
Huh.
And like not just like for other people, I think for your own sanity. क्योंकि मतलब I'll just be very blunt about it. When you get married, you get like I think 10 relationships.
New.
Or and your old relationships change.
Huh.
All of them change. And even it's not just like you don't have to do boundaries with your friends, or you even have to create some boundaries with your own family. Ki, acha, this is like the cutoff now. Okay, I can't be a month there. I have to be in my home. I have to give time here. I have to give time to my new relationships, my new people that I'm with, who I'll be spending like most of my time with my husband. और फिर आगे जाके I think gradually तो with babies and stuff ये तो और ज़्यादा heightened फिर वो चीज़ें हो जाती हैं. But like boundaries constantly keep shifting.
Yes.
And even in phases, I think कि sometimes you're like अच्छा मैंने अपने friends के साथ अब ज़्यादा होना है, तो आपकी वो थोड़ी सी boundaries उस वक्त lax हो जाती हैं. You're like more with your friends, and then you're more in your work, and whether it's
basically you have to constantly prioritize stuff कि अभी इसको priority, कभी इसको priority. मैंने अपनी पिछली podcast में, solo podcast में ये बात की थी.
I yet have to listen to it.
मैंने उसमें ये बात की थी कि personally I don't think that there is any sort of balance. आप ये नहीं कर सकते कि इसको भी equal
तो
that means कि कोई भी चीज़ ठीक नहीं हो रही होगी. Something will always take a priority, and you should accept and be okay with the fact that right now this thing takes priority, so this will suffer
without the guilt.
Yes, and it's just to be a fact कि right now this is priority, this suffers, but it's okay, another time पे ये priority होगी and this will suffer, because that's the only way you can sort of
navigate
right now.
it.
And I feel like हम उस एज में हैं जिसमें आपकी लाइफ में बहुत मेजर हसल और स्ट्रगल होती है
a lot of
for very
transitions.
basic reasons कि you are creating relationships, you're trying to work on those, you are trying to manage your finances, you are trying to build a career,
build a life,
build everything. So like your home, your career, your family, your money, and then if you have a child तो फिर that, it's all a struggle. आप literally ये वो age है जिसमें everything has to be everything is in like a struggle phase कि मैंने ये भी बनाना
it's formation.
it's formation. So job wise भी अभी तो आपने स्टार्ट किया होता है, एंड यू आर बिल्डिंग टूवर्ड्स फैमिली वाइज भी और आपके सारे रिलेशनशिप्स वाइज भी. सो इट्स जस्ट लाइक, क्या वो से कहते हैं, इट्स अ वेरी क्रूशल टाइम, इट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टाइम. सो आई थिंक इन दिस एज, if somebody was to ask me, you have to be very, very, very kind to yourself. And I'm saying this because I know that I haven't been. You know, you have to be very kind to yourself कि, you know, it's all right. Like, कोई बात नहीं अगर आज मैं ये नहीं कर सकी. Well, I wake up and then it's just like hustle, hustle, hustle. It's like, oh, in-laws, family, work. And, you know, and when you're working, like when you're a boss or when you are like leading a team or such,
it's even more responsibility.
It's very difficult because you know that at work people are waiting for you and what you have to say.
Their day depends upon you.
Yeah. तो वो भी, and then your child, उसके साथ time, then your husband, then your own family back home.
Yeah.
There वो, and then your friends, and you're
that
just like,
guilt is like phenomenal. मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था.
Friends, family, work, baby, it's just a lot. और उसमें ये होता है कि you will constantly, like, if you're not kind to yourself, you will constantly feel bad about everything. And you know, and I feel like also, if your friends are not in the same space, तो शायद उनको समझ भी नहीं आती कि यार आपकी
I've noticed that a lot.
उस तरह नहीं
a
जा
lot
रही
of my
है.
married friends are so understanding. But the ones who aren't, they're like, I saw you post a story. तुम free हो. मैं free नहीं
पहले
हूँ.
मैरिज होती है, फिर बेबी होता है. Like, your friends can't understand कि अच्छा यार इतना भी
मगर
क्या
the
हो
ones
गया.
who are married, they're like, chill करो, कोई मसला नहीं है. मतलब because they, I think, relate to it more and they understand the. मतलब मेरी one of my closest friend couldn't come to my wedding, and mama was like, beta, she's married. Like, understand, she must have something going on. And it was so it was that easy for me not to get mad. कि मतलब, and like she was one of my closest friends. तो मतलब it's, I think आपके फ्रेंड्स को भी बहुत अंडरस्टैंडिंग होने की ज़रूरत होती है. हम लोग बहुत जल्दी जज कर लेते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी. इवन मी, आई जज पीपल अ लॉट कि भाई ये क्यों नहीं मेरे लिए किया आपने, या आप ये भूल के मेरे लिए करना. तो वी नीड टू गिव पीपल स्पेस टू बी ह्यूमन, a space to struggle,
because it's very hard right now. And like, I think the last thing people want to hear at this time is that you're not there for them.
Yeah.
क्योंकि they already feel it. I'm sure that most people already feel it. Because they have to, like, वो बेचारे क्या करें यार, they have
क्या
to
करें.
हाँ, वो क्या करें. They have to give time to their family, and they have to like make money to sustain.
मतलब it's, I think मुझे कभी लगता नहीं था. I always was very मतलब मैं कभी भी money के साथ ना, I've never been smart with money. This is the first time I've started thinking about, okay, the financial responsibility. It's not like I can very easily not, but the pressure is so on कि अच्छा 2-3 साल बाद बच्चे, फिर अच्छा फलानी चीज़, the prices are skyrocketing, and मतलब your dreams are also skyrocketing. तो मतलब how will you do that? And means to an end right now is money, and you need to make it in a good way. And हमारे जैसे लोग who want to do it in a very good manner, in something they're happy in. But it's like a lot of things going on at once. But let's take some time to figure it out.
Yeah. So I think these are, so वही बात है, like when you graduate and then when you get into practical life and then work and then marriage and then children, it's a lot. और फिर इसीलिए शायद आपको mid life crisis भी होता है, because you spend so many years doing all this and suddenly you're like, okay, everything's done, sorted.
Yeah. अब क्या करना है?
बच्चे भी बड़े हो गए.
अब क्या करूँगी मैं?
हाँ, फाइनेंशियल भी सब सेट हो गया है, घर भी सेट कर लिया.
So important to have something of your own then.
Yeah.
है ना? क्योंकि मतलब ठीक है, आपके ये सारे टास्क हैं, a hobby and I think a passion as well, which you're very much inclined towards, which can last you like your life.
Yeah.
क्योंकि वरना तो you'll just lose
Yeah,
your
and all-
identity
yeah.
and all of these like
Things.
identities.
But then also that's why you have to give priority to social life and friends as well. Whenever you can, whenever you can, because you don't need friends. जब आपका सब कुछ sort out हो जाएगा. So then you need friends and you need a social life.
But I
and you
also
need-
think the ones will be there. The ones who are matlab are supposed to be there are going to be there. They are going to be there. So we don't need to worry.
हाँ वही बात
ये
है
भी
कि-
मैंने एक वैसे hostel I think teaches you that as well.
हाँ.
कि the ones who are going to be there will be there no matter what.
But वही देर होते हैं रमीशा जो अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं कि आपकी लाइफ चेंज हो रही है. अब जो लोग who are not on board with the changes in your life,
Yeah.
obviously they can't be there because when you can't make time for them or when you're going through stuff and they can't understand it, so you will lose them in that process.
Maybe.
So I think for friends, and it's really important for friends to understand that your life
I think
is
open
changing and be
communication
on
should
board.
also be one of the things कि you should communicate to your friends. कि अब जैसे मेरी I have a friend who is in England right now and we talk like I think once a month. But both of us once did tell each other कि यार इतनी messed up life हुई हुई है ना, इतना कुछ है करने को और मतलब बहुत याद आती हो बट
नहीं हो सकता
नहीं
अभी.
हो सकता, टाइम नहीं दे सकूंगी, क्वालिटी बात नहीं होगी, मतलब वो रश में ही बात होगी, तो फिर वो भी अंडरस्टैंड एक बात होगी ना.
हाँ, that's what I'm
You
saying. कि you need to
communicated.
be. That's what I meant. कि you need to be on board with each other's.
Yeah.
The fact that life is changing and that life is difficult for the other person. हाँ, but it's also important, obviously, to be there when it really matters.
Yeah, it truly does.
Yeah. So वही बात है कि it's not something like in that hustle you can't just be like oh right now because this is taking priority, this won't. Which is why I said that priorities have to constantly shift. That right now it's about my friends or my friend. Right now this is about being a mom. Right now it's about being a wife. Right now it's being about a daughter-in-law. Right now it's being about being a daughter.
But conflicts happen.
So based on where you are in life, you have to, I think it's a skill. You have to understand at what point in life what needs attention and priority.
True.
You know? So real life, real talk.
Yeah.
And
I'm quite enjoying this.
And I know, like, I'm not saying that everything I've said, like, bas perfect hai, mujhe pata hai. Maybe I'll say something completely different later. But this is how I feel right now. And this is what I've learned so far.
Through your experiences, through your life, through all the mistakes and the learnings and everything.
And maybe a few years later, I'm like, कि नहीं यार, balance करना चाहिए.
ये नहीं करना चाहिए था, balance करना चाहिए था.
So you know, maybe it resonates with some people, but
But at the end of it, I think it all works out. That's what. If I
all
could
is
tell
well
myself,
that ends well.
if I could tell myself something like from 10 years ago, I'd be like, यार टेंशन नहीं लेनी है, हो जाएगा. But उस वक्त ऐसा था नहीं होगा. But I really used to imagine like worst case scenario. I'm worst case Lucy. I'm like मैं पहले ही ना imagine कर लेती हूँ बदतरीन क्या हो सकता है, ये हो सकता है, इससे अच्छा जो भी होगा ना I'm chill with that. Like that's my coping
mechanism.
But now I'm also shifting that कि you don't have to be worst case scenario. मतलब something you can just be chill and just go with it and it will work out. Or मतलब just have faith. Have faith in Allah. क्योंकि अभी तक I don't think मतलब even in my worst of times the only presence I felt is his. कि हो जाएगा. मतलब even जब मैं वो फेरी मेडोज भी गई थी, मतलब नागा पर्वत में देख रही थी, and I was just lost in the wonder कि somebody who can do this, all of this, make all of this happen, ये मेरा इतना सा मसला है. इसमें मैं इतनी ज़्यादा परेशान हुई हूँ. And मतलब I'm being so ungrateful. Like I genuinely say I've been very ungrateful whenever I've felt like very down. I shouldn't have felt that way. I had so much that I did not see. And still days आते हैं जब आप कहते हो कि यार कुछ अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है यार, ये क्या हो रहा है. तो you need to constantly remind yourself
that you have enough and that you are enough.
कि you're living the life of your dreams. मतलब I never used to think okay, I'll have मतलब such a great guy I'll marry, I'll have a good job. I'll be
You didn't even want to get married.
I did not. Because I was so मतलब in that ना कि हो ही नहीं सकता है. वही worst case scenario होगा ही नहीं है. But वो फिर होता है. और वो फिर वो ही करते हैं. So you just don't ever lose hope. I would say ever. Like that's one thing जो मुसलसल होनी चाहिए, and that is
Hope.
yeah.
That's a very nice thought. Anything else you want to say before we end this?
I really had
Wonderful
a
discussion.
lot of fun.
Me too.
मैं बहुत nervous थी. I'll be very honest. I was like, hey, मैं जाके क्या बोलूँगी? But like मुझे भी बहुत सी चीज़ें, like a lot of things got put into perspective
Chalo,
because
that's
of this
good.
talk.
That's
Thank
good.
you.
All right. Thank you so much for tuning into this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it, learned something from Ramisha.
Yeah, I really hope.
I'm sure they did. You had a lot of interesting things to say. And, you know, your life, I know that, I'm sure that a lot of girls can relate to your life as well. कि उनके भी यही thoughts थे, yeah.
I hope
They've
they
experienced the same thing as well. And it's always good to find someone you can relate to.
That's true.
So I'll see you again next time. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.